Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sita Sawangi. I am your computer teacher and this is standard 1st and 2nd. In this video we will going to discuss further part of the paint tools. Okay. So let us paint. We have learned the function of tools in a paint. Now let us make a few drawings by using various tools. Make a greeting cards. Okay, suppose we want to draw birthday cake with candles on the greeting cards and write some well wishes as shown here. Then the steps will be as follows. Okay, so select the oval tools from the shape group. Then draw, and you can change the thickness of a tool by size button or by pressing the Ctrl++ and Ctrl+-. Then select line tools from the shape groups. Draw lines. You can change the thickness of the line by size button and by pressing the Ctrl++ and Ctrl+-. Now it gives the shape of the cake. Change the color like a red. Now select the line tools from the shape group for draw candles. You can also choose a different colors for different candles to make it more colorful. Then select the another color for the flame like yellow. Then select the oval tool from shape group. Draw flames. Select any other color for cake. Select the fill with color tool and click on the drawing part of the cake to fill it. Now your birthday cake is ready. Click on the text tool to choose your font color from color group. Then click on the drawing area and type the message. Now your greeting card is ready to. Now saving the greeting cards. It is very important that you should save your work frequently so that you don't lose it. After saving your drawing, you can use it further on your computer or share it with other email. Save your drawing. For the first time, you will need to give it a file name. So click on the file and then click save. On the save as type box, select the file format you want. In the file name box, type name and then click the save. Now open and edit the greeting card. To open the greeting card you have saved, do that the following steps. Click on the start, all apps, Windows, accessories, paint, and then click on the file tab. Then click on the open to find the file name and click it and then click open. The greeting card you have saved will be the display on the screen. Now you can edit the greeting card if you want. For example, change the color of the greeting and then check and save it again. Now print your greeting card. You can print this greeting card on paper using the printer. Press Ctrl+P for click or click on the file tab and then click on print. Then ask your teacher to take a color printout of your cake drawing if possible. In the same way, you can illustrate the pictures on Sport Day, Independence Day, Environment Day, etc. So you can also make a poster using paint. Now see the how to closing the paint up window. So click on the close button or press Alt+F4 or click on a file and then exit. Then the video will shut down and will be close the program. Okay, so in this way we will close the paint window. So in this way we see how to drawing birthday cake with well wishes and how to save paint file. how to open and edit drawing, and how to print the drawing and close the paint window. Okay, and we will going to further discussing about the remaining part of these chapters in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.